We are waiting for recording. Yes. So, Komil.
Yeah, recording has started.
So, hi
Yes, you
everyone.
will have to present it again.
Yeah. Yes. Start, or should I? Yeah. So let me. So hi everyone. So today we are going to have a session on advanced prompting. We also know the team name as a prompt forces, as a like a nickname we already put in. Like, and you can also say it's our unit name. It's like a prompt forces, and today we are going to see advanced prompting that we are going to do with the help of a Yash as well. And today we are also going to have a certificate by Google, right? Yes. So today we are going to have a certificate by Google, as well as Yash already mentioned in a like chat box, and the announcement mail as well. After it, we are going to have some perks of perplexity that perplexity gives us as a student of IIT. Everyone, as you already know, as you already know, IIT already given a perplexity pro. But if someone doesn't log in till now, they can log in and access more flexible, like we are going to discuss after it, like what perplexity gives us. The main focus is on not on perplexity at all. Main focus is on advanced prompt that we are going to have. That recently, as I already done yesterday night, I'm doing like some vibe coding on emergent as well. I think 90% of students know what is emergent. It's like a AI platform that help you can put your prompt, and after you like you if you want to make a like a to do task app, so you can just put your prompt as, and it make you, and it do coding behalf of you, right? It's like just a simple AI. So it's all depend on prompt. So as already know, we already already done our session on prompt as well. On that session, I already make a website of IRCTC, like live train booking app, web page. It's like a sample web page, and already a bank transaction with the name of Torque Bank of India. It's like a sample of like how they are prompt and how Gemini is going to work. And we also already seen that how Gemini helps us to create videos and like like realistic movies, like realistic shot, like we have already have in movies already, right? And after it, we already gain some knowledge on coding as well. You can also find your bug as well with the help of Gemini. I recently not got to know about this as well. So this is all, and today we are going to extend this level at the advance of the state. We are like an intermediate in a previous session. Today we are like advanced. So just start we are just upgrading with the help of everyone, with the help of Komil, Yash, Rocky, and me as well, and Aaryan, Santosh, Gotthard as well. So yeah, is my voice okay?
Clear.
Is my voice
Yes,
clear?
yes, clear. मेरी voice clear है?
Yes.
Definitely.
हाँ clear है.
Okay. So prompt engineering, guys, you don't need to be a data scientist or a machine learning engineer. Everyone can write a prompt, right, Komil bhai? I am right.
Perfect. New programming language is English.
मतलब इसमें क्या है कि अगर prompt engineering हाथ में आ गई तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आप you are the data scientist, you are a machine learning engineer if you have the power of prompt, right?
Exactly.
Let's go with.
It's a skill.
Okay, guys, for Abhinav, so you can unlock the perplexity's potential. This slide is for Abhinav, okay?
Yes,
And you can scan this, take it, and join Abhinav's student community for perplexity.
Slide दिख नहीं रही है, I think.
yes. Please share a slide, and
So okay, slide share नहीं हुई है. Wait, let me
no,
see.
no issue. So after it, Yash is going to like show you my QR. Is with the help of this QR, you can just scan this, and you just have to scan it and help and sign up with the help of your mail ID, student mail ID that IIT given to you. And after it, you just have the new access of the Comet that recently launched by Perplexity. Yeah, Comet is like a new browser, as we already have Chrome and for Firefox, Microsoft Edge. It's same like but Comet have some different like a new features, and it's like for Gen Z. If I tell you in a shortest way, it's make for a Gen Z as well, right? it's like definitely the developers focus on Gen Z generation. How Gen Z is going to use this, like like how this uses Comet. So the name of this browser is Comet. You can just sign up and scan this QR and just sign up with your student mail and unlock the perplexity potential as you already seen on the first step. And second is dive into Comet. Dive into Comet is like a downloading and the sign upping on that particular Comet browser, and you can explore it if you are into stock market, if you are into trading, if you are into AI, ML, anything. If you are into DevOps, if you are into anything, web page, AI, ML, you can just sign up on. You have generally, and you have all your skills that Perplexity given to you, their skills. With the help of their skill, you can create your own skill and also enhance your personal skills as well. And you just unlock the more skill perks by Perplexity. After installing it, you got a 1 year of Perplexity Pro that is already given by IIT. It's not new. You can, yeah, you also get the 6 months of Comet browser subscription as well, just free of cost. It's just free of cost. You doesn't need to pay any fee. It's just my responsibility and duty to show you this Perplexity. I'm not going to force you. It just, you just have to scan this, and if you are able to do, and if you're happy to do, please scan this QR and sign up either using with your student mail ID, and unlock the perks given by Perplexity. Thank you so much. So guys,
Abhinav, if I can go through a recent use case that I just went through,
definitely,
if I
and
can share.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, definitely,
Sir,
So
and
guys,
the
I
slide is
recently
not
came
visible.
across a use case of Comet. So if I ask this Comet agent, if I give, if I provide my shopping list, okay, to the Comet agent, what it will do, it will go to certain websites like DMart or Amazon, and one by one, it will add all these items on my list to my cart. So all that is left for me to do is do the payment. If there is something that is not present in one of those websites, it will also inform me that, see, this particular product is not available. Please find it somewhere else. So it does everything like very agentically. Right, Abhinav?
Correct.
yes, as I thank you so much, Komil, for as you already mentioned your user experience as well, guys. Main important thing that I personally love that I'm already student ambassador of more than like 3 organization, and recently I got 2 more opportunities, but I am not updating on my LinkedIn. But for Comet, I personally love this Comet because like it's for Gen Z, right? If you have like what Gen Z needs, Gen Z need instant reply. Everything needs Gen Z is instant, right, Komil? Like fast speed, quick reply, everything they just needs quick. Like everything should be quick. Train should be quick. AI should be quick. Everything should be quick. Studies should be quick. So same thought that Perplexity developer in their mind. Comet is also a quick, as a Komil already mentioned. So please, yeah, use Comet. Don't stuck on Chrome. Chrome, like 90s person also using Chrome. A simple cyber cafe owner is also using Chrome. What different are you using right now? Right, Komil? Right, yes, Aryan, you are
Yes,
listening
yes, yes. Correct,
as
correct,
well. What
correct.
different are you
Right,
like?
right.
Chrome are using by everyone. Chrome, Microsoft Edge, it's common. What are you using? What different thing you like? I think we are on an age like we should try everything in our life. What we have the access, everything from Google new perks given by the Yash. With the help of Yash, we got like Comet, like new like everything. We just have to like see what happening in the world. So just install it and know what is new in Comet. Explore it. You are AI students. Explore it. Boom it. Increase your skills. That's it. Just scan it and download it. It's just simple. Thank you. So another thing, Komil, if you have any thoughts for Comet that like is like it's more into what Comet have different from another Chrome browsers. That is you already mentioned your user experience. Other than your personal like previous user experience, what you already seen in the technical level, want to ask you. Yes.
Yeah, so as I mentioned, it is very agentic. Okay, so whatever you search, it's not like it's going to match it with some keywords and going to give you the websites. Okay.
Right.
We are in an age that we should not have the time to go through each website that is listed and go through the information. Okay. We want everything at one place. And Comet is doing exactly that. We should not
Right.
have that time to go through every website. If you are having time, then you are wasting it. Okay. Because Comet is providing you all the answers accumulated at a single place, whatever you search. Even if you launch a particular agent, like I said, if I give it a shopping list, it will add all those items one by one iteratively to my shopping cart, right? While it is doing that, I can switch my tab and do some other work. Okay, so it's like an agent. It's doing its own job in its own time, and you can do something else in the meantime. So it's great.
Yes, definitely. For Ishan Shukla, if your link is not working right now, I think it's working. And if not, you are not able to sign up with the help of using of your IIT mail, it's not a like a common problem. You just I think do this process again, and you are easily because I think more than 15 student already sign up. Yeah, so it's easy. Yes, yes. You just have to enter that code. It's the code for a verification, right? Definitely. As a Komil mentioned on a technical level, so as I already mentioned,
गाइस अभी क्या दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे?
it's my QR. मेरा QR
ओके
दिख रहा
ओके.
है. Yes, yes, Ishan, you can ask.
अब क्या दिख रहा है? अब क्या दिख रहा है?
Let me paste direct link of this, right?
नहीं,
Wait,
अभी क्या
wait.
दिख रहा है?
सेम QR कोड वाला पेज.
ओके ओके.
Guys,
व्हाट्सएप तो
try
नहीं,
with,
व्हाट्सएप तो नहीं दिख रहा? व्हाट्सएप
नहीं दिख रहा.
guys, try with this link. It's like a direct access. We are unable to confirm early due to the document doesn't meet the date of requirement establishment of. I think you are not. Yes, please add your documents. Right, you just have to uh, add your verification. My limit exceeded. I can't do anything in this. Yeah, please refer this link as I already. Let me put it again. Yeah, please. Yeah, please click on this link. You got direct access of this comment, right? Yes. So we have yes, are we going to have a certificate as you already mentioned in the announcement that we are going to having certificates from Google, right?
या वी हैव अ सर्टिफिकेट गाइस.
Yes.
निराश होने की बात नहीं है भाई. वी हैव 53. मैंने सोचा था ज्यादा आएंगे बिकॉज आई हैव सीन दैट 400 500 नंबर्स इन द ग्रुप्स एंड भाई यार दिस इज नॉट द थिंग. सबसे पहली बात, हाँ, इट इज गुड. द नंबर्स इज गुड. ठीक है, 53 आना बहुत अच्छी बात है. लेकिन यार आई थिंक वी हैव मोर देन 100 मेंबर्स. मोर देन, मुझे लग रहा था एवरेज तो 100 आएंगे यार सर्टिफिकेट सुनकर. तो ठीक है. एंड ओके, still impressible. We have 54 members. Okay, एक सेकेंड. ठीक है, तो जो सर्टिफिकेट होगा वो एक्चुअली इट इज बाय गूगल. ठीक है, गूगल गेमिनाई. ठीक है, एंड जो जितने भी अटेंडीज हैं, एक बार कोमिल मेरे को स्क्रीनशॉट भेज देना. आई विल प्रोवाइड देम with their individual certificates.
Yeah, that's why I am recording. I will share.
Yes.
Share the entire list.
So yes, yes, it's like we are like students have to give their ID card or like a appointment letter for this, right?
No, nothing. Just their names.
No, I'm asking for this.
Yeah.
That's already mentioned in yes, Aryan.
नहीं yeah, you see.
So as Aryan also already mentioned, you just have to place your appointment letter, right? Or
yes, for this
ID card is the best option.
Or ID card, yeah.
Yes,
yeah.
C3 already got their ID card, right? C3 students already get their ID card, right? Okay.
Let's start, right?
Yes. So let's start. And if
let's finally start. ठीक है, अब सब आ गए हैं. ठीक है, there will be no बकवास and all. ठीक है, अब let's start with.
Yes, अफसर.
हाँ जी अभिनव.
Afsar is want to ask something. Yes, Afsar.
Hello, Bhaiya.
Yes, hi.
When I log in my Perplexity AI, it show me verification limit exists. What I do?
I think how is it possible, right? Yes, Komil, Aryan,
Yeah,
Because
is it possible?
because my
what's the
DNA
issue?
is activated.
I don't think so. What's happening?
What's the issue?
Verification limit exists exited.
Verification limit?
Verification
Yeah.
limit?
मैं आपको आपके पर्सनल नंबर पे भैया सेंड करता हूँ कॉमेंट भैया। अभी मैं आपको
स्क्रीनशॉट,
दिखाता हूँ क्या है।
हाँ प्लीज
हाँ हाँ
सेंड द
हाँ,
स्क्रीनशॉट,
yes,
है ना?
मैं
please.
लॉग इन कर रहा हूँ, इसमें ये शो हो रहा है क्योंकि ना मेरा
ओके
डीएनए एक
ओके।
बार ऑन था, उसके बाद मैंने 2 बार ट्राई किया, उसके बाद ये वाला ऑप्शन शो होने लग गया।
Definitely, yeah, you can send on Komil number as well. So guys,
Yeah.
जो भी इशू आ रहा है, अगर किसी को फुल प्रोसेस पता ही है ऑब्वियसली, तो वो अपनी लैंग्वेज में फटाफट उसमें चैट बॉक्स में बता दो, क्योंकि मुझे तो एकदम से इधर थोड़ा शिफ्ट होने प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. So yes, thank you Vishal for helping him. Yeah, Sahil. Yeah. So let's start. So I
ओके
think we should move forward to next slides.
ओके ओके।
QR is already done, and yeah, yes,
फाइल।
one second. If you didn't scan this QR, don't worry. I am pasting the link of in chat box. You can just you got the same website from here as well. Yes, please move over it.
ओके
Yes, yes. Komil,
ओके,
Mike's up.
let's start है. So what is you
And
know,
yes.
everyone knows what is prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is basically, you know, the art and science of creating effective instructions for LLMs, right? Like we say, you are guiding a LLM model to structure to get a structured response for yourself. मतलब कोई भी चीज है, right? Like this, refining your words to get more accurate and relevant useful responses from the model, right? Like आप Gemini को मैसेज करते हो, ठीक है, एंड जितना अच्छी आपकी बोलने की टेक्निक होगी, या जितना फाइन होगा आपका प्रॉम्प्ट, राइट, तो उतना बढ़िया हमें एलएलएम से जवाब मिलेगा, ठीक है. So when you interact with chatbot like Gemini, you are writing prompts, right? As this guide focuses on writing prompts for Gemini model directly through the Vertex AI and API. Okay. Let's start with how. सबसे पहले हमें ये देखना पड़ेगा how LLM thinks. ठीक है. Komil, you can start with this.
Yeah, so let me explain you why does it matter to, change the prompt to get better result, right?
Correct.
Because the content is the same. But when you mention some specific keywords, what happens is that we know how LLMs work, right? Everyone does. Everyone have used ChatGPT, Claude, whatever, Gemini, etc. Right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
what exactly is it doing? It is like it's already mentioned, its job is to predict the next most likely word or token. Okay. If that is the job, then at every specific moment or every specific token, there is an entire distribution of each and every single keyword, right?
Correct.
Each and every single word in its vocabulary is going to have some particular probability for being the next word, right? Now, if we specify our information well, then this distribution is going to change. There is going to be a distribution shift. Okay. And it's going to align with what we mentioned. Okay. If I have some particular task and I need more information regarding, let's say, astronomy, right? I will ask Gemini, see, you are an expert of astronomy. Okay. Or you are a physicist, let's say. Okay. This is going to make it believe that, right? This is going to make it believe that, and it will generate similar results from now on. So that is how prompt matters. Okay, it's how LLM works. The distribution of the words that are going to come next is going to change.
एक सेकंड.
Yes, another thing I want to share, we have some students from Sweden as well. Who is from Sweden? Sweden, I think. Yeah, we have students like more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students from US, one from UK, and one from Japan, Slovenia, and Austria, and Brazil as well. That's great. So we have more students from Slovenia as well. So who is from Japan? I can see their data. I think more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More than 7 students are from US and one from
Wow,
Brazil as
great.
Australia, Slovenia, two from Australia. Yeah, I can see their data. Sweden, one from Sweden.
Wow,
That's
great, 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 great. ये तो अच्छा लग रहा है यार सुन के we are getting the
yes.
foreign students too. Okay.
I,
So yeah.
I can. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So like now Komil said how LLM thinks, right? Large language models. It actually has 100 billions of parameters of words, right? Vocabularies, right, Komil? है ना? So and like think if it think like the apple is, okay, let's take an example. The apple is, so हमारी जो what comes in our brain first, red, fruit, right? और it is a bird. ठीक है, तीन वर्ड्स दिए मैंने. We have the three words like the apple is red, fruit, or a bird, right? These are the three words. So yeah. So what is the best probability of the word? Which word is the most probable in this? It is red, है ना? Like we can set. So how the LLM thinks? LLM thinks right this only. Okay. It gives the probability for each word which is fit for the sentence. जैसे हम करते हैं, like we do, like when we form the sentences. Okay. We choose the most suitable words which are good for the sentences, right? So this is how LLM thinks. कि what is the best probability of the word, है ना? It will fit into that sentence. The apple is red, right, Komil?
Exactly.
है ना? Like these predictions are not normal. ठीक है? They are based on patterns, facts, and relationships related to the vast amounts of training data. अब वही है ना कि we have that in mind. The apple is red. ठीक है? So we have already, that LLM has already learned from vast amounts of training data. Okay, your prompt sets a starting conditions and a direction for this prediction process. Okay, this is how the LLM thinks, basically like our brain. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next topic. Okay, I wanted to scan this, guys. We will practice. Okay, we will practice the prompt side by side. So this is the core part of the meeting. You can scan this, guys. Aaryan, Komil, please scan this. Okay. This will open Gemini actually. All right.
Yes,
So
guys. With the help of this QR, you can have your prompt session. Let me scan this.
yeah, you have to scan this, right? When you will scan this, the Gemini will open. Okay, Gemini will
Yes.
open, and now from there, with this link, with this QR code, you can practice prompts which will be provided in this session, right?
Done.
Okay. I am giving you 2-3 minutes for this.
Yeah,
एक बार जल्दी.
it's already written by Gemini. Tell me about, like, it's like an auto written by Gemini. Tell me
Yeah.
about the Gemini student offer. Okay. Yes, please, guys, scan it, and after it we are going to move forward to our next task.
Okay. So like we knew about how LLM thinks. It's like our brain. Okay. It chooses the most suitable word, right? Most suitable word, which is grammatically correct. Okay, we have scanned. Okay, मैं फिर से अब कर रहा हूँ. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scanned. Okay. So yeah, large language model output configuration. Okay. Before finishing your prompt, you can adjust several settings to that act like control knobs. Like we have gas knobs, right? We can control the amount of gas for from that knob. Okay, so we can control the AI behavior. Okay, these settings tune the AI's personality for specific task. Right. Komil, over to you.
Yeah, sure. So
How to resolve this?
when we access a particular LLM, each and every single LLM are going to have certain parameters that we can tweak. Like Yash said, they are like gas knobs. Okay, we can tweak it so as to better, get the results. Think of it as a amplifier, right? We have some sound amplifier and we are tweaking it to get the best results. Okay, it's exactly that. So first comes output length. Sometimes LLM does not know when to stop. Okay, sometimes. So if I know that the output I am hoping for is like one paragraph or just two paragraphs long, then I better provide it the content length, right? What I'm looking for. Okay, so that is the first thing. Then comes temperature. If you have some like general knowledge, if you remember from the earlier high school, uh, if we increase the temperature, the randomness in the movement of the molecules increases, right? Right, yes, atoms and molecules, right? There is the same concept here. If we increase the temperature, the randomness, okay, the randomness in which particular keyword or which particular token is going to come next is going to change. Okay, so if I have a particular distribution of all the words in my vocabulary, okay, I will have one word that has the highest probability. Okay, if the temperature is zero, if the temperature is zero, then each and every single time I write the exact same question, you are going to get the exact same result as well. Is that what we are looking for? No. Majority of the times, it is not that we are looking for, right? It's like random seed. Okay. In lectures, we get some random seed so that we can replicate the results, right? But we do not want that. Maybe I want my LLM to write some review for me or make a post for me, or let's say do some poetry for me. The best example, right? Do some poetry for me. Do I want the same specific outputs? No, I need randomness. Okay, that's how poetry is created.
Correct.
So I will increase the temperature in that case.
And Komil, we can take the example of the randomness. Like you gave the example for atoms. Atoms. Take it. When there is a low pressure, when we like this, these are actually the like how we can control the gas system, right? Gas को कैसे control कर सकते हैं? Like we have this. All right. So it's like we have some some configurations for it. Okay, how you can change or configure the AI's personality, that how it can give you the answers on the basis of your behavior and prompts. Right.
Now, yes, so, I forgot to mention one more example that is very important. Okay, I gave some example like what are the benefits of a high temperature, right? If I'm doing a poetry or if I'm doing some creative writing. Okay.
Great.
Okay, so to put it in a general term, creative writing. However, let's say that I am asking LLM to generate some, to give me some legal advice. I don't want any creative writing there, right? I want specific results. I want the LLM to be very, very, very honest with me with the specific answers.
Yes.
I don't want randomness there. In that case, I will use a very small temperature, like 0.1, let's say.
And if lower the temperature, we can get the higher deterministic results. Right?
Yes, exactly.
Like we have to focus on facts. ठीक है. So on the factual basis, the temperature should be low. ठीक है. There is a setting of temperature in AI. ठीक है. It is not given to all because वो default पे रहता है. It is on default. But if you will go to the main sites, ठीक है, and you will find the configuration of AI models. So there is an option called temperature. ठीक है. Lower the temperature will be, you know, safe and predictable choices, ideal for factual tasks like sun is, you know, sun is hot. ठीक है. You don't want, if someone asks you, why, what is the sun, and you are asking from AI, so it shouldn't give you the sun is, you know, cold, right? Okay, it shouldn't be random over there. ठीक है. It shouldn't be unique. What should be talking? एक बार please check.
In fact,
on
yes, that option is also present in Google AI Studio, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can test it there as well. This temperature and output length and all the settings.
And in chat, chat GPT playground also we can,
exactly.
also, right? एक बार दिखा देते हैं.
All these parameters comes into play, especially when we are dealing with LLMs locally. Okay, when we download a LLM and we are doing it, we are providing it some local context that we do not want to put online. Okay, or maybe you are into very deeply into this ML field. There only you will notice.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it
Authentication
will
required.
ask for authentication.
Ask
Leave
for
it. You
authentication.
can do it later, I guess.
Okay.
We can present later. Yeah.
Okay. So okay. So
I
it's
mean,
like
I
a,
think,
you know, knob.
yes, I think Komil,
Yes,
you
Abhi.
already logged in that playground. After yes, you can share your screen after and you can perform that task, right?
Yeah, sure. Komil, you are in the, you can share the screen.
For this one, yeah. But let me test. Let me authenticate
Sure.
first. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
That's why I'm saying that if you already log in, na, so you can help us to see. Yeah. Thank you.
See, like this. LLM temperature. Okay. When there is zero, you know, when you set the temperature to zero, it will be more deterministic. It will give you the more factual results, जिसकी probability ज़्यादा होगी. Right? We have the more or the greatest probability of words we will get from this. Okay, zero temperature. And if you will increase to 2, you will get more randomness of words, more unique, you know, that creativity of AI. Like you can see here.
Yeah, that's what I opened. Yes,
Like this.
I was also not able to do that in for GPT.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like this. This.
Yeah, exactly. And yes, in the slides there is also top P mentioned, right?
Top. Yeah. Wait, let me share. ठीक है, पहले एक बार ये वाला दिखा देते हैं. Let's
Yeah,
show
perfect,
this
perfect.
temperature. like this. You can see that the option for temperature. So you can increase and decrease the randomness of words. Like see this, show me the different logos. Okay, like what should be the prompt, Komil? What should be the prompt right here? Like what is the capital of France? Capital of. Array, oh. It's capital of France. Okay, so the temperature is set to 1. Okay, let's see. Paris. Okay, we are getting Paris. Okay. Komil's okay, let's go. Wow, it is creating poem. It is visible, Komil.
Yeah, it's completely visible. I'm reading it.
Okay. Set to the temperature to. So here, the model gets more adventurous. So we are using Gemini 2.5 Flash. So here it will share more, exciting words. Okay. In the halls of thought where wisdom gleams, Komil's, yeah, Komil, you can explain, right, this. Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, you can explain now this temperature thing. Yeah, what should
But yeah, we have already gone through it, no? So
Okay.
if we want some creative writing, we will increase the temperature. Okay, by default, it is 1, but the scale or the effect of temperature equals 1 will differ model by model. Okay, so even in Google itself, we select a particular some other model. Okay, the temperature may not be default, may not be 1 by default, but the output is still going to be similar. Okay, so range might differ. It's all that you have to take the default value into account. If the default value is 1, then you have to increase it to get better creativity and lower it to get more deterministic answers.
answer. Correct.
Yeah.
Now we have top K and top P sampling controls. These are also the knobs. Okay. Like top K, the shortlist method tells the model to create a shortlist of only the top K and most likely tokens and choose from that list. Like only like this. Let's go with an example like top K is equal to 1. This is actually a parameter. This is a number parameter you have to set in AI Studio, right? So like only consider the single most probable world. If it is set to be 1, okay, right, Komil?
Yeah, exactly.
So if we will set top K to the 1, okay, it only considers the single most probable word. Like we can say, let's take the example of that apple only. Okay, the apple is, so what is the most probable word? It is red. Okay, it will set the probability for each word. Okay, like the apple is red, so it has the 96% of the probability. Like it is the most likable answer which should be considered. Okay, and if the top K is set to 40, if we will increase the value, identifies that 40 most likely words. Like it will make a list of 40 words, like it is red, it is fruit, it is healthy, the apple is healthy. So it will likely words. It will make a list of likely words and it will try to experiment. Okay. Now you can see the randomness from here. Then uses temperature to pick up from that book group. Okay. And we have another thing, the top P, the probability budget method. So it creates a shortlist based on cumulative probability budget. You know what we have learned about cumulative. Okay. Let's take an example. Like top P is 0.90. Like it is 90%. Okay. We set the top P to 0.90. Adds the words to the list under their combined probability reaches 90. Like Komil, you can explain. You can
Yeah,
explain
perfect.
this.
So I said we have a distribution, right? For each and every single token that we have in our vocabulary, we are going to get a particular probability. What we now do first is that we arrange them in a descending order. Descending order means the most probable word or the word that has got the most probability will come first. Okay. Then the second most likely word, then third and fourth and so on. Okay. Now we start from the top. Okay. Whatever probability it is, we keep a track of it. Then we add the second probability, then the third, and so on up till 90%. Okay. The rest of the words that are left below 90, okay, are the least probable. So we get rid of them. So in a way, it works exactly like top K. Okay. Now there is one more question that you might, some of you might get is like, if I said top K and top P both at the same time, what is going to be the result? Okay.
Yeah.
So it's like a set. Okay. Are we going to get the maximum output? It means the union or the intersection. Okay. So thing is that it is a bit, it depends on the model. Okay. So model by model, the output is going to change. Okay. The way they want to deal with it, they will. And due to this issue of understanding, now what people have moved on to doing is that they have basically got rid of the top K model, sorry, top K option, and they have only kept the top P. Okay, so even if you go into Google AI Studio, for most of the models that you can use there, you will only find the uh, top P parameter to change. Okay, not the top K. And there is one more uh, reason behind it is that if the people who were present in the last session, yes, we discussed about tokenizers, right?
Right, yeah. Right.
Yeah. And based on the tokenizers, the vocabulary, the size of the vocabulary changes for all the models. Okay. So one model might have only 10,000 words in its vocabulary, while the other model might have 50,000. Okay. I'm not going to
Correct.
look into it, right? I'm not going to, I'm not going to find it. Okay. And so if I use the top K values, the same value of top K, 100, let's say, in both the models, is it fair?
Correct.
No,
No,
right? It
no,
is not fair,
not fair.
right? Because the vocabulary size are very different for both of both the models. However, if I
Correct.
use the top P value, the same top P value for both the models, then it is going to be that it is going to give the same results, right?
Correct.
So top P does not care about the vocabulary size. That's why people have now moved on to only using the or only providing the top P parameter instead of the top K. But the concept are very important to understand. That's why we have put it in the slides.
Great
Yeah,
explanation.
yes, you can continue with the
Yeah,
slides.
sure, sure. Uh, Komil, please ask if they are able to understand the topics.
Yeah, anyone have any
एक
doubts
बार please
regarding
बता दो।
top K or top P? You can raise your hand. I think yes, we can be good professors. There are no doubts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This. Okay. Temperature. Let's take a recap with examples. Take it.
Yes. Yeah. So everyone, I want to say a thing. If you have any doubt, please ask freely, right? Don't in a cage, right? You are not in a college lecture, right? You are not in a cage. We are not surpassing you. We are not like understanding what I'm trying to say. Everyone is independent, right? Me, Komil, Aaryan, Rocky, Yash, we are independent. You all are independent. You just have to put your query. Again, I'm going to say same example from first year. I'm saying again and again. If you didn't know what is 2 plus 2, don't bother to say. Please say it, right? No one is going to judge you, right? And if someone is judging you, ignore it. We are not judging you. Main thing is that we are the coordinators. We are not judging you. Simple, right? It's an important thing, right? Like Yash,
Correct.
Komil, everyone is yes spreading knowledge. That's a correct. But knowledge is the main base, right? But they also happy when they got a response, right?
Yes. We are happy. We are actually
They are
happy.
not a, they are not a robot. They also
Yeah.
invested their time. Me, Yash, Komil, everyone, every coordinator invested their time, right? On Tuesday we are having our exams. C2 are have I think we have exams, right? So we are already invested
Yeah.
our time, guys. Definitely. So if you have any
Yes.
query, and please don't say someone say ki they doesn't have any query. It's not possible. More than 50 plus students are over here. This is not possible. That not a single student doesn't know. No, it's not possible. I guaranteed you more than 10 or 10, more than 10 to 50 students have query till now, but they are introvert. Right. A main thing I noticed in Gen Zs are 99%, 90% of Gen Zs are introvert. Right. So yeah,
Correct.
sorry for this interruption, but this is important, right? 1 second, Ashif. This is important, right? So like because they are explaining you each and every word, keyword, right? They're investing their time. I'm not saying that you are like we are not doing favor of you on you. No. It's our like we got happy. We got yes, we are spreading some knowledge. So please, if you have any query,
Abhinav,
please ask.
I am sharing my learnings from this book.
Yes.
Okay,
It's like
after
has
reading this entire book, I'm providing my experience
we,
and
we,
all the key findings here in this
every
session.
single time they are
Prompt
Right?
engine.
And see,
breath of
yes,
their
also.
Prompt
I
engineering by Google.
definitely. And
So
if
we
I
are we not only possess knowledge, but we also have the willingness to share it. Okay,
Yeah.
that's the
Sure.
more
Thing.
important part than the knowledge itself.
Correct.
Okay,
definitely it's
so now
a
we
big
have some Abhinav, we have some queries.
yes. Another
Yeah,
thing, yes, Komil,
yeah,
another thing, yeah. Sorry for interruption, but another
yeah,
thing,
Abhinav.
they already learned so well, right? Everyone is learned so much. We are already learned and happy to share, right? So please ask the query. If like you are just attending the session, what is the difference between the reel or this session? I don't see no difference. It doesn't any get any knowledge, right? So please tell your query in the chat box. Raise your hand and just ask it. Just ask it. No one going to like judge you. Main
Yeah.
thing, if someone is judging you, ignore it. Ignore them. If personally, I personally ignore everyone who judge me. So just focus on our content, right? Raise your query. And main thing, like we can also stop over here if we didn't get a positive response, if we didn't get the query, so we are not a robot, we are not a paid for it, right? We are not a paid like a $15 per hour by IIT, like we got a paid for $15 per hour, you have going to have a session. No. Definitely I am ill. Komil is also invested their time. I am also got a fever of one like I'm like right now I'm a fever of XO 102, right? 102 Celsius right now. But I am happy to share, right? Please ask. Thank you. So yes, please go ahead.
Yeah,
I'm
okay.
closing my.
So we have some queries to answer before moving ahead. First is Yeah, Mansi, you can use your personal GPT and Gemini accounts, but the website are going to be different. Okay. So if I go into Gemini, I'm not going to find these options. However, if I go use the same model, but from the AI Studio website, then only I'm going to find those options to tweak. Okay. Beautifully explained. Thank you. Basically, it's no, no, no. Who said it is going? It is only for personal agents. No, it is for every single agent. It is the core of LLM. Okay, it's not like it's going to be specific to any personal agent. No. हैंडबुक का नाम बताना भैया. अच्छा, it's hands on large language models. Okay, it's specific. Oh, okay. It's not okay. Blur आ रहा है क्या?
Yes.
Yeah, वो auto blur हो रहा है. Okay, no worries. It's
नाम
hands on
डाल दिया है
large
किसी
language
ने
models.
actually.
Okay, it's a book specifically for LLMs. It won't be helpful in theoretical stuff, but only in if you have done NLP earlier. Okay, any more questions? Hands on LLM, yeah, by Gianamara, exactly. Great resource.
Sir, and Asif have some questions. They already
Sorry,
raised the Afsar and Asif.
yeah, officer, you can ask.
First Asif, then Afsar.
Okay, okay, sorry. Asif? Okay, while they are coming, Yash. Okay, some people have joined quite late, so they are asking for a recap, like what we have done so far. So you can provide it.
ओके ओके गाइस हम वैसे ही बहुत लेट चल रहे हैं लेकिन बिकॉज मीटिंग ये है ठीक है ओके तो यू नो द सेशन इज क्वाइट लो राइट ठीक है इट इज स्लो इट इज गेटिंग स्लो ठीक है एंड बोरिंग नहीं होना चाहिए इट शुडंट बी बोरिंग सो लेट्स गिव recap in 5 minutes okay so prompt engineering obviously you are giving the instructions and instructions and tasks to LLM to find to get the best output of your what's in your mind right like if you want facts or if you want something like if you want a poem okay so what's in your brain okay you tell through the prompt right you tell the prompt you write the prompt you structure the prompt okay and then on that basis the LLM gives you the answer so that is prompt okay and when when you structure the prompts into a right way and to get in the need of getting more structured answer for your structured response like what you have in the mind तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या है okay so that is prompt engineering okay you are making prompts you are making effective prompts okay स्क्रीन तो विजिबल नहीं है ना
No.
वेट वो मेरे लैपटॉप में तो विजिबल नहीं है ना कि मेरे लैपटॉप में दिख रही हो
No, no, no.
ओके 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 ठीक है तो टॉप पी एंड टॉप के
Yeah,
टेम्परेचर
yes. Just
Okay,
a
okay.
second. Someone is asking, is it correct to say LLMs use predictive analysis?
yeah you can say actually they predict they are the more you can say they are the best predictors okay which can predict your next word what should be like
So,
we can
yeah,
give the
actually
example of
the
that movie
definition of predictive analysis depends on the context. Okay,
Correct.
so by domain, the definition is going to quite change a lot. Okay, so I'm not really, I would not say 100%, but if what you mean by predictive analysis is what we have been defining so far, then yes, it is correct. However, predictive analysis in machine learning is like forecasting. Okay, so LLMs is not going to forecast in the future. Okay, so predictive analysis would be like predicting what is going to be the price of a particular stock in the next or tomorrow. Okay, so LLM is not doing that. It has learned how what the next word should be.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, Tirtha, we can do that in another session. Okay, it's a very huge topic actually, and we have been planning to do that. Actually, we were planning to do it this Friday, but we did not get the opportunity. So probably we will do that in the upcoming week. A detailed session just for the roadmap.
Okay, let's get to the let's not waste the time.
Yes.
Okay, we can make a recap from this from these examples. Okay, what is temperature? Temperature controls the randomness of the output. So these are the knobs for your LLM. Okay, lower the temperature, the model becomes more predictable and conservative. It has, it will it will almost always choose the word with the highest probability. Like this is the good for factual answers. Like if you want to something like the sun is red, okay, the sun is hot, okay, you don't want the sun is cold, right? So you need more factual answers, summaries, code generations. You need your code to be correct, not you don't want any experiment over there, right? Okay. If the higher the temperature, the model becomes more creative and adventurous. It tries to be creative. Pick less common words जो common नहीं होते, ठीक है? It will pick more diverse, sometimes surprising results. This is great for brainstorming and writing poetries and stories. Okay, so this is the a temperature. This is the configuration of AI, like how you can change the personality of AI with your prompts. Like let's take an example. Imagine the model is completing the sentence. The cat sat on the. Okay, lower the temperature. Lower the temperature. If we have this lower temperature, the highest probability is the mat. Okay, the cat sat on the mat. Okay, lower the temperature. Okay, so it will give the most probable world. The model will certainly choose this. Higher the temperature, the model might still choose the mat, but it could also choose less obvious words like Windows mill, laptop, throne. This is very random. Okay. And we have then top K. Top K limits the model's choices to the most likely next words. Okay. Like let's take an example like prompt. There is a prompt to bake a cake. First you need to. So this is a prompt. What should be the next word? It should be these are the probabilities ki how it can take. He ऐसे probabilities लेता है. Right? This is the list of words, and they are the listed probabilities that how it will list the words into this sentence, correct word in this sentence. Okay. Let's say the top most likely words are gather. Okay. First you need to gather. Okay. This has the highest probability, 40% of probability. Then it has the first you need to mix. It has a 20% of probability. Preheat, it has 15%. It is getting less. Okay. So हमारा जो first होगा, the first is always the highest probability and the last is the lowest probability, and it has the 1,000 of other likeliness words. Okay. Then we have top P. Top P is like bit smarter. Instead of picking a fixed number of words, it picks the smallest possible set of words whose combined probability meets a certain threshold. Let's take an example. Okay. To bake a cake, first you need to gather, mix, preheat, get, find. Okay. If we set the P to 0.80 and like we are setting a gas knob. Okay. So it is a parameter. We are setting it to this. Okay. 80%. The model will add up to probabilities like until it reaches to 80%. Okay, like gather, then we will plus mix, then preheat. It is 75%. This is not yet 80%. Okay, so it adds the next word get 10%. Now the total is 85, the which is over 80% threshold. The model will now only consider gather, mix, preheat, get. So these are the final, this is the final choice. Okay, Komil, right? It is right, na, right?
Yeah, exactly.
है ना? मतलब एक threshold, it will set a threshold और उसके बीच में ही if the probabilities are getting plus to that threshold, ठीक है, it will consider those words. Okay.
Yes, you are explaining amazing. Yes. So
अगर
we
मैं
already yes,
एक
we
मिनट
already
मैं
K and top
हाँ,
P, right?
या
Right. Okay.
टॉप पी
just
एंड
one
टॉप
more
टी
thing.
एक बार फॉर द हिंदी ऑडियंस मैं उनको ये बता दूं कि
हम्म,
टॉप के वही शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग मेथड वो, ठीक है, फॉर द हिंदी ऑडियंस के लिए 2 मिनट मेरे को देना, ठीक है. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट सेटिस्फैक्टरी थिंग, ठीक है, फॉर द हिंदी ऑडियंस. ठीक है, शॉर्ट लिस्ट मेथड बहुत सारे वर्ड्स लेगा वो, ठीक है, हर एक वर्ड की अपनी एक प्रोबेबिलिटी होती है, ठीक है, उस प्रोबेबिलिटी को वो लेगा लाइक 5 वर्ड्स ले लिए उसने कोई भी, ठीक है, लाइक दिस, लाइक द कैट सैट ऑन द मैट. तो उसने 5 ऐसे शब्द ले लिए जो कि सबसे कॉमन है, मैट, यू नो, कुशन. तो 5 वर्ड्स वो ले लेगा. सो दिस इज अ स्मार्ट मेथड, ठीक है. एंड टॉप पी का मतलब क्या होता है? टॉप के तो एक वो है कि अपना लिमिट्स द मॉडल चॉइसेस टू, ठीक है, उसके जो नेक्स्ट वर्ड्स होंगे, ठीक है, व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट वर्ड्स, जो नेक्स्ट वर्ड्स होंगे वो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी सेट करेगा कि अच्छा हाँ, द कैट सैट ऑन द किस पे, तो वो अलग अलग उसी के रिलेटेड वही वर्ड्स चूज करेगा. ओके, ये हो सकता है. तो मेरा जो यूजर है वो चाहता है कि उसको सबसे बेस्ट आंसर मिले, तो हर चीज की प्रोबेबिलिटी सेट कर देता है. इट सेट्स द प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके. एंड टॉप पी ऑब्वियसली यार वो इट इज अ स्मार्ट मेथड, ठीक है. जब तक उसकी वर्ड्स की प्रोबेबिलिटी प्लस होके, मान लो 80 मेरे को चाहिए, 90% एक्यूरेट चाहिए मेरे को हर चीज, ठीक है, तो वो क्या करेगा उस केस में? इट विल सेलेक्ट द वर्ड्स जिसकी सबसे ज्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी, उन है जितनी भी प्रोबेबिलिटीज होंगी, जितने भी कॉमन वर्ड्स होंगे, उन सबको प्लस करेगा वो. और जब तक वो 80% या 90% नहीं हो जाती जो मैंने सेट करी है, ठीक है, तब तक वो चैन से नहीं बैठेगा. सो लाइक 1000 वर्ड्स में से, लाइक वी हैव द 1000 वर्ड्स, उसमें से जितने भी अगर मेरे को 90% रिजल्ट चाहिए, तो वो सारी प्रोबेबिलिटीज को जब तक वो 90% नहीं बन जाती, तो उन उन उस लिस्ट को लेगा, ठीक है. जैसे 5 वर्ड्स हो गए, ठीक है, 5 वर्ड्स को लिया उसने, एंड देन इट विल यू नो ट्राई टू मेक मोर एक्यूरेट आंसर्स. सो दिस इज द थिंग. This is also known as nucleus sampling. This is a smart method. Yeah. ठीक है. Basic prompting techniques, zero shot, the simplest approach, just ask without examples, ठीक है. Like it relies on entirely on the model's pre-existing knowledge जो उसके पास actually होती है. Like classify this movie review as positive and neutral and negative, ठीक है. This is a simple you know prompt without giving the more examples, you know. So what will it will check the pre-existing knowledge, ठीक है, जो उसके पास पहले नॉलेज होगी, ठीक है, वही कंसीडर करेगा, राइट. सो दिस इज अ जीरो शॉट प्रॉम्प्टिंग. वन शॉट, यू प्रोवाइड द एग्जांपल्स नाउ, ठीक है. लाइक जैसे यू आर टेलिंग अ डॉक्टर, ओके, लाइक मेरे को नहीं, नॉट द डॉक्टर. कोमिल, हम किसका एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं? हेलो कोमिल.
हाँ, किसका वन शॉट?
हाँ, वन शॉट में हम एग्जांपल उसका ले सकते हैं ना कि
Yeah, exactly. We provide a particular example. We provide one example for the model to reference and replicate the same style of output.
yeah, correct. Like now we are doing the smart thing. We are giving an example, ठीक है. Like provide a single complete, we have the prompt but we are providing the example for more accurate results. हम उसे example provide कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, भाई तू मेरे को इस तरीके से करके दे, ठीक है, ये कर दे. This is a very simple thing. This is zero shot. मेरे को इस तरीके से करना है, like you are providing an example, मेरे को इस बंदे की तरह करना है, so that is one shot. But what are few shot? You are providing multiple examples, multiple. ठीक है, मेरे को इसकी तरह करना है, ठीक है, जैसे इसने करा था, इसने भी जैसे करा था, right? You are you know gathering the examples and you are fix for more correct in the greed of more correct answers. ठीक है, you are providing examples. This is the prompting technique. You are giving the examples. ठीक है, right, Komil?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And zero shot, I would like to present an example. Yes.
Sure,
So,
sure.
let's say that okay. So let's say yes to I give you your example only. So yes, just made a beautiful video using Gemini, right? Yes.
Right.
What was the topic about?
That beautiful video. May I present it?
Yeah, you can. Then I will present the example. I will use it as an example.
Sure. Please don't see this. अरे मेरा क्या है view अच्छा. Okay, like this, like I made this movie. ठीक है, let's see this, guys.
Yes, please paste the link of this, right?
Yeah, sure. I will.
Yes, and again, I am taking steam after I was closing my camera. So today I am not well. That's why not too active.
वो आवाज आ रही है उसकी वीडियो की?
Solar eclipse? Sorry, solar eclipse. Where we are getting solar eclipse, Vishal? In where do you live? Solar eclipse. Okay. So solar eclipse, we are also having a solar eclipse in our city. Why are you living? It's just a commendable. Yes. That's why asking why he is living for solar eclipse.
Guys, focus.
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Okay.
Video is not starting, na? That's why we are. Yeah.
This thing is a cinematic brilliance made by Google VO3 with just prompts. I just made with prompts. I gave a structured prompts to this for every 8-second scene. I'm a fan of Flying Dutchman. Okay. Let's see it again. That's it. This is a structurable prompt. Like what I have given to this thing is a cinematic scene. This is a cinematic scene of ship where ghosts are there. Okay. Like this. This is a cinematic scene. This is a scene of cabin. This is the vessel cinematic vessel. This is one of the cabins of Flying Dutchman. And this is the heart. So this full video is made by Google VO3 with just prompts. Okay. मेरे को हटा देना चाहिए.
Yes,
Okay.
you can post the link in the chat.
Sure.
And yes, one more thing. I was watching the video and I found an interesting mistake actually. Can I share?
What? Yeah, sure.
I was saying कि ये शेप इतनी गिर रही है तो वो जो स्पून्स है वो इतनी सही सही क्यों रखी है?
क्या stones?
Spoons. There was a scene of a table with dishes and spoons. Why are the spoons so perfectly put?
And there is a mistake of that door, you know, that the cabin mein ja raha hota hai and the door is not open. Still, we get the sound of closing the door, right? So, yeah, it will create the mistakes. It is creating the mistakes. Okay, it is not that perfect. All right.
So it forgot the context. We can say it forgot the context that it was making a video of a ship. Okay, that's why it created that mistake.
Correct.
So, yes, slides.
Sure.
So it's not a silent video. You might not be able to hear it while Yash was presenting, but in the video, the sound is there.
Exactly. Yes, we shared the link as I already.
Yeah, I will share the link. मेरा थोड़ा सा आगे इसमें ना. I will share. Don't worry.
Yes, PPT. You also got a PPT on Torque and other community if the coordinator wants. Yes, sure. You got a PPT as well. Link, yes, Yash is sending a link. Yes, null already solved. Resolved. Yeah. So, guys, please make a thumb if you are if you are not feeling bored, right? Please make a thumb.
Okay.
Please, yes, that's amazing. They're happy to say this. Thank you so much. Yes. That's the motivation I want. Personally, PDF are not going to. Yeah, only WhatsApp on Torque community, as I already mentioned. Aaryan Singh, you got a PPT on Torque community and other communities. As the coordinator are from other communities as well. So if you are willing today, we can share on other communities as well.
Hey guys, see this. Abhinav, yes, you can see this. This is a cinematic brilliance. By you can like this. This is the prompt. Like this is a prompt. This is a full prompt. You know, colossal shot of Flying Dutchman approaching. This is a full structured prompt. And by writing this, I get this result. I'm getting this. This is the power of prompt, basically. Now you can make the films, guys. You have premium. If you have the premium, by just log into the flow and use your brain and your prompts, mix it, you know, combine it and make the cinematic brilliance. All right. So this is the thing. Okay. Let's go to fast. Okay, advanced prompting techniques. Yeah, Komil.
Yeah, move back to the previous slide, yes.
Sure.
Yeah. So here, if Yash is going to put that video in Gemini and going to ask Gemini for review, okay, or let's say you all are going to give a particular comment or review to Yash's video, okay, it's not going to be positive, negative, or neutral alone, right? It's going to be descriptive, right? But now if Yash is doing some analysis or even Google itself is doing some analysis on this video, is it going to consider or is it going to have some human in the loop to go through each and every single comment? No, right? No, it is going to ask some AI model only. So if I am giving it a comment and asking it to say like whether it is positive, negative, or neutral to make a loop of it, it is not going to give me that specific answer alone so that I can put it in some Excel file or database. It is going to create entire sentence. Okay. So like this comment is positive and so, etc. So I have to be specific that, see, I want the movie review as positive, neutral, or negative. If it still fails to follow my instruction, then I have to give it an example. If it still fails, then I have to give it multiple examples. Right? Yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
Right, Komil.
You definitely well said by Komil. So another thing, guys, as I let me on my camera. Yes, link is I already pasted the link of Torque independent community. If someone willing to join this community, they can. I already pasted the link. Yes. Who is asking? Yes, Nilesh. Link is already pasted by me. You can just click on this and joining this after the verification by personally by me. I'm going to verify each and every single person for joining the community due to security reasons as well. Yes, please.
Okay. Screen is visible, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
Satash,
Komil.
Nishit, Vithal, AS, and Shurbi. I'm approving to you all. Yes, this is the benefit of being in a webinar, right?
Okay.
Komil, that's the main benefit of being in a webinar. Like, because I know who is joining the community, who are Nilesh, who is Satakshi, who is Nishit, who is AS and Surbi. That's so easy for me as well, right? Yes.
Guys, don't worry about that certificates I will provide you. Don't worry. Your certificates are ready.
Yes. Someone with
I know most of
someone with the username I, please send your full name on to me. Let me give. I already sent it hi to them, to him or her. I don't know. Yes, please. After it, because without knowing the new name, I can't let them join. Yes, please.
don't worry about certificates. Your certificates are ready. If the session felt you boring, okay, just tell us.
Yes,
The session
please.
is feeling boring. Okay.
So I got a phone number from a different username. It's like some have emoji. So I'm sending you hi. So please tell me your full name and your cohort. That's have good for me and your for verification as well, right? I'm just sending hi to them. Okay.
ओके तब तक के लिए एक बार ये स्कैन कर लेना सब जो है लाइक अभिनव आप 5 मिनट देख लेना वो जो आपको डिटेल्स भेज रहे हैं है ना बाय द वे स्कैन दिस एंड प्रैक्टिस प्रॉम्प्ट्स हियर ठीक है जस्ट स्कैन दिस ठीक है फॉर प्रैक्टिसिंग प्रॉम्प्ट्स राइट नाउ ऑन इन द सेशन यूज दिस जिसने नहीं करा जिसने कर लिया है लीव इट ठीक है अवॉइड इट यू नो इग्नोर इट सॉरी जिसने नहीं करा प्लीज स्कैन इट those who don't have
So I have Anna I'm proving you Udit Jain and who is myself, please send me your full name. Definitely. Yes, getting to yes. Yes, guys. I already approved more than 7 members, and that's great. Yes.
Guys, start prompt engineering. It is very important in this AI world. It is very important. Prompt engineering is the core part of AI. If you want to create things, if you want to do something unique, just use your brain and combine it with your prompts, your narration style, how you write things. Okay. And these both things are combined, then make something great out of it. Correct. This is prompt engineering. We will share the resources of Anthropic and different. We will share this slide also. Okay. So don't worry. And your certificates are on the way. Don't.
Yes. So yes, they are some students are also asking for me certificate. Guys who attended this session, they got the certificate definitely. Your attendance is being rewarded. Ashif Farad, okay. Please let me also Sambhag Shukla. Yes. Again, yes. Please send the request again. Let me join all of you. Approving Mera. Yeah, so easy. Sambhag Shukla.
Oh my God. Request बढ़ती जा रही है.
Yes, I am also approving them. Another thing, guys,
Great, great.
now you are getting professional day by day. So please update your username, right? Because after in future, your use like if you are doing internship, your WhatsApp username is too important, right? Please don't like write it like an emoji or I know the security reasons, but as you know, security is a myth, right, Komil? It's my personal perception. Security is a myth. If you are online, you are not a secure. It's just your perception that you are going to say no, it's not. Please update your username. That's great thing because you are going to going professional day by day, right? Thank you, Prince. Thank you. Yes. I have a person with I username. Right now, didn't get a user like full name, so I'm not approving him or her. I don't know who is he. Another. Okay, Deepam. Okay, got it. Thank you. Yes. Okay. So for Torque, if I tell you not for a Torque, I think more than student play ML group got right from AI learners to and from Rocky's group and from the Komil's community and Rocky community. We got a student from the both community, right, guys? So for if I tell you for Torque, like a short, Torque is like an independent community. We are students from like more than from like C1, cohort 1, cohort 2, and cohort 3 as well. More are from C2 and C1, and recently joining with C3 as well. And it's like an independent community. You can just share your thoughts and your doubts directly to me, Yash, Komil, Rocky, Aaryan, Gotthard. So directly with us also. And after it, and another thing, guys, please maintain the decorum of the group. Talk like in talk, I personally doesn't entertain any types of memes, gifs, and stickers. It personally don't allowed. We personally banned the suspected one, right? I already removed more than 13 members recently. Yes, right? Yes, I'm saying right.
Yes, 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 sir.
That I already banned, and the who going to misbehave in any types of group, in Komil group, in Rocky group, in my like in not a group, full community, in Komil's community, in Rocky community, and in Torque community, and in other community as well. We got a report of each and every student, so don't be in a loop that you didn't recognize by someone. No, you are already watched by someone, and they also got reported to us. So if you done something in Comets community or other Rockies community, you are also going to be banned from our community also, right? This is for not for security reasons. No, you are IITians, right? I think yeah, just so you are IITians. So be good, professional, and happy to everyone, and be happy from and good to everyone also, right? Yes. Definitely. Due to some previous misconceptions and the other things that happened, that's why I personally put these type of thought. Yes, Ashif.
Abhinav, just a quick question I would like to ask.
Yes, yes,
Can we
please.
share the AI learners link over here?
Definitely. I
Definitely,
think,
Okay.
definitely.
but then like definitely more students from Komil's group and your group. The new journey are from your both community, right? Definitely. Please share your, because you all are coordinators. We are not in a race. We are not moving our community separate. I already mentioned Rocky and Komil, and yes, we are already joined. So guys, we the community, the coordinator, like we are having in like me, Komil, Aaron Gotthard, and Shashank, and yes, we already have been good interaction always and every day, right? So we got a report of each and every single child. So don't again
We
and
have
again.
different communities, but we all are
Yes,
present here as host of the same webinar for your benefit,
Yeah,
definitely.
right?
correct.
We are also
Yes,
best
Abhinav.
friends personally as well, right? So
Yes,
don't
yes,
be
yes.
that thing that like we are only like a meet and a professional level. No, here we are professional, but on
Yeah,
WhatsApp call we are like a full best friend,
we are not professional.
right, guys? So please don't break the rules. Definitely, as I already mentioned, you got every watched by everyone's community. Comils, Rocky, everybody reported to us, and we are going to report to them, right? So you are, if we got any like mistakes or like a breaking of rule, I am going to direct report to Rocky and Comils as well, right? They are also going to banning you from their particular session and the webinar. Okay, that's it. I want to say, and
Okay.
so don't please so that's why I didn't make the torque only admins group, right? I can also update the setting of this torque as a only admin can send the message. I personally do not like these types of group in which we can't send the message. So be good, be happy, share your doubts on torque. You can share your doubts as well.
Okay.
So here is
Let's
the
start. Okay.
yes please,
Yeah.
we are already
Yes,
getting
Amin.
the
Okay. Yeah.
okay.
Advanced prompting techniques, system prompting, role prompting, contextual prompting. Okay. Equal. Is the screen visible now, guys?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. I
So
thought
first
it
is the
was not.
same example that we just presented.
Yeah,
Yeah, right, Yash?
correct. Like this is a system, like this is a system prompting, that how a system understands, better understanding for the system. Like we are making, uh, you know, more easy for the system to understand that how the prompting is, right? How we can classify the problems, like classify movie reviews and return validation following this, like this sentiment string name. This is the big. We will provide you the PPT too. Okay. Then we have role prompting, assigns a specific persona for the AI to adopt and shaping the tone, style, and the knowledge base of its responses. Like this, I want you to act as a travel guide. Like I am providing a role actually, right? Okay, so I'm assigning a specific personality to AI. Okay, like I want you to act as a travel guide. Okay, I will write about my location, and you will suggest 3 places to visit near me in the humorous time. Humorous. This is the tone. This is basically the tone. This is where you provided the persona, the personality to artificial intelligence AI model. All right. So this is the role prompting, where you are providing the roles to it. Like Komil, like we can take the example of the teacher also. Like we are saying to the teacher.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So there are prompts like when you want to study something using this LLM, you ask it to teach me. Okay, but instead of asking it to just teach you, you write it like you are a professional professor from, let's say, IIT Guwahati, and you are teaching to a 5-year-old. Okay, so this is actually a prompt that really works really like surprisingly well. And one more thing, like if someone is saying like, why exactly is it working? Okay, why exactly is it working? Because see, these LLMs, yes, are like kid, but they
Yeah.
are surprisingly smart, right? So we can tweak them the way
Correct.
we want. We can make them believe the way we want. Okay, we can make them believe that they are
Yes.
actually the
Correct.
professor of so and so university, and they will
Yeah.
act like it. So here in this prompt, it is travel guide, right? Yes. So they
It's
will
like
actually
we are getting
start
that
thinking
how,
like a
yeah,
travel guide.
correct. अब वो उसकी तरह समझाएगा जो ट्रेवल गाइड, हाउ अ ट्रेवल गाइड कैन एक्सप्लेन यू द थिंग्स, सो एआई विल एक्ट ऑन दैट बेसिस, राइट? ठीक है, जो आंसर आपको ट्रेवल गाइड से मिल सकता है, एआई विल ट्राई टू कैप्चर दैट टोन, ठीक है, एंड इट विल गिव यू द रिस्पॉन्सेज ऑन दैट persona, right? I'm right? Okay.
Yeah.
Then we have contextual prompting. Provide a specific background details relevant to immediate task, giving like AI necessary information to understand the nuances of your request. Like we have context. We are providing a context to it. You are writing for a blog about retro 80s arcade video games. Suggest 3 topics to write. So we are providing the background. Like Komil, when we design beautiful posters, okay, we provide the context for it. Like
Exactly.
it should be a dark background, it should be like cyberpunk and a futuristic vibe. So we are providing that contextual and background details to it, okay, to get the more creative and beautiful posters, right? So it is contextual prompting.
And also one more thing, now prompt engineering is also known as context engineering, right? Because context is all it matters. If you are writing the same information, if you are providing the same information, but just writing it with more professional English, it is not going to help unless you give it more information, right? So the best thing to do here to find out if your context or the knowledge that you are providing is enough or not is to think yourself as the employee. And yes, we discussed it quite detailed last time also, right?
Correct.
So think of it like Yash is making a poster. He asked me, okay, I am the designer. He asked me, okay. So if I'm writing such a prompt to ask to ChatGPT or Gemini to make this poster, what I will do is I will imagine that, see, what if someone provides me the same information? Do I have the entire knowledge it requires me to create the poster correctly? If yes, then you are good to go. Paste that prompt. But then only you will realize that, अरे यार वो background तो रह ही गया. Okay. Or the type of background I want or the logo is missing. Okay. So then only I will remember that, yeah, this is missing. I will provide it and then rectify the prompt.
Correct. Komil, I just want to assign you a task that please take a screenshot. Screenshot ले लिया ना सबने? एक बार पहले ले लिया था? I think recording तो पहले से चल रही है, starting से ही. तो okay, beautifully explained by Komil. Like I have an example for that poster right here. Wait, let me present. जो अभी कोमिल ने हमें समझाया. Like this. Like this. This is a cyberpunk walker. Okay. So before क्या था? A person walking in the rain. This is a very simple prompt. After, अब मैंने उसको क्या बताया? A person with a cybernetic enhancement walking through the rainy neon lit alleyway in a futuristic city. This, wow, brilliant. And you are providing, this is the background actually. कि कैसे क्या हो रहा है? This is the context. And the cyberpunk portrait, like you want this. पहले क्या था? A portrait of a woman. After, you need a cyberpunk or a futuristic vibe. So a woman with glowing cybernetic eyes. Okay, this is the beautiful prompt. You are providing the context to it. Like this. What a beautiful image. So this is contextual prompting. Right? Am I right, Komil?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Another thing, it's too good, right? Komil and Yash, Aaryan,
Yes.
I also watching this. It's too good and too deep. Like 10 years before, like we didn't we got like I think in 2010 or 12. It's too difficult to make these types of animation and these type of images. And
Correct.
how AI is making first artists have to draw by themselves to make these type of character, right? But now AI
Correct.
can
Correct.
easily make them in just seconds. Guys, another thing, yes, prompt engineering is must. It's too useful. Yes, Komil and Yash, Ashif have a doubt, and he also messaged me personally on my WhatsApp. Please ask him what
Hmm.
doubt he have.
Yes. Also, can you go to that CT image again?
Yes.
Which?
The buildings one. Yeah.
Buildings one. Okay. This.
Yeah. Exactly. Now go to the prompt.
Okay. Prompt.
See if the specific keywords towering holographic advertisement was not given, would it have been any similar to the current image?
No.
No. So that's the importance of small details, right? We have to make sure that we provide it. So instead, if this was not mentioned, it would be like a Batman movie, right? Yes.
Correct.
So this is how small details matter. Okay, you have to, again, you have, if I was thinking that, okay, yes, give me this prompt, is it enough for me to generate? No. Then only I'm
No.
going to realize that, yeah, wo banner wala point reh gaya, and then I will going to update and I will send it the correct prompt.
Correct. You're very right. Like AI can't read our brain, but we have to tell what is in our brain, right? With the prompts. So this is the importance of small details, like how we can capture it, how we can closest to what we need actually, the approximate result. Okay, so let's go with okay reasoning techniques, setback prompting, and chain of thought. Okay.
Again, Yash and Komil, please refer Ashif doubts as well. He
Yeah,
personally.
Ashif, please ask your doubt.
Ashif, you want to say something? Ashif, okay, move forward. So
Abhinav, we asked him earlier as well. He was not opening his mic.
yes, so no issue. You can just move
Yeah.
forward. We are not.
Yeah, Asif, please,
we
if you
are-
are having any mic issues, then please type your question in the chat. Okay.
Definitely. Why are
Yeah, yes,
typing?
please go ahead.
If you can. Yes, please go ahead.
Sure.
So
Okay, 90% of the lecture is completed.
definitely,
Okay,
but
so we
no,
have
no issue. Yes, we got a member more than 44 till now. It means the
okay.
session is going good. Yes, guys. Always we till then. Yash is doing something. We always try. All coordinators try, and yes, we already try to make the session engaging, not a boring like other session or not other session, not like not a simple interaction session that you saw on a YouTube or another as well, right? So it's like a different one like Komil, me, Yash, Rocky, everyone, and the other coordinator try to make the sessions good. As every coordinator make their sessions right, so we all try to make our session like like no boring. Like I think our session should not be boring at all, right? So yes. Another thing, while taking the session, I'm also recovering. So after 5 minutes or 5 minutes, I'm measuring my temperature. It's going. It's now 99. So I don't know. Yes, Ashif, please let me. Please unraise your hand if it doesn't anymore. Yeah. Yes, Ishan. Yes, is just founding something. After it, we are going to move forward. And Komil, do you have any session for future? And Rocky, Komil, or Aryan, if you have any session for future, please announce over here. Right? It
Yeah.
will be more
So
good for.
there is one session specifically for ML roadmap. Okay, just starting from scratch. We will discuss everything. Starting from scratch, what are the how you should start, whether you should start with mathematics or not. what are the resources, in what order should you read all the concepts and everything for AI and ML, what programming language should you use, everything. What are the best practices? What are the courses? Everything, like literally everything. Okay, we are going to discuss everything from scratch for roadmap of AI and ML. So it was planned for this Friday actually, but due to some reasons we did not get the opportunity. But it will most probably be in the upcoming weeks. Okay, just 1 or 2 weeks. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, from my side, there is nothing much, but today I'm planning to have a late night conversation around 10:30, so that at that point we'll not have a professional talk or on a meet. We'll prefer a talk over WhatsApp voice call, so that we can have a raw talk, right? What we are doing, where you are seeing this group going, and how we can improve things, right? Not a major event like that, or not a major talk like this one, but a raw unprofessional thing where you are having a heart to heart conversation around a bonfire. That kind of thing I am having today. So yeah, members, if you are interested, 10:30 अगर आपको नींद नहीं आ रही है, गर्लफ्रेंड रिप्लाई नहीं कर रही है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, तो आप यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं, हमारे साथ बात कर सकते हैं और हम बातें करेंगे। अभिनव भी आएगा, यश आएगा। यश, तुम फ्री रहोगे ना? अगर सब फ्री रहोगे तो आ जाना भाई।
अगर अभिनव आ गया तो और खतरनाक माहौल हो जाएगा।
श्योर फुली ट्राई करो, बिल्कुल ट्राई करेंगे भाई, जो बिल्कुल रॉ टॉक्स रखेंगे। अगर इफ वी विल बी अवेलेबल तो बिल्कुल रॉ टॉक्स होगी नेक्स्ट लेवल, ठीक है। देखो ये सेशंस जो हो रहे हैं, मैं आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल दैट दीस सेशंस आर द कोर, ठीक है। यू वोंट गेट दीस टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट इन इन दिस 4-year कोर्स, ठीक है, व्हाट वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग यू, ठीक है।
Yes, in that regard, I would like to mention ki yesterday only, no, sorry, not yesterday, just 3 days back, I came across an interesting post on LinkedIn. Okay, so a Google employee posted that he was reading this book, and and I put a comment there that I am on chapter 6. Okay, so yeah, that is true. This content that you are finding right now is not going to be provided anywhere in the degree. Okay.
Yes, thank you, Manasvi. And Nilesh is writing that get well soon, Abhinav. Kaushik, your energy is remarkable. Doesn't look like you are suffering from fever. I am suffering from fever. Generally, I am suffering from fever, but I don't know. It's like a stamina or something, or your positive vibes. But I'm not like having fatigue right now. Yes. So any doubt is that how to get the access to temperature and top P and top K, and how to regulate it, and or it is set by default. Same. Yes. Komil and yes. So yeah, he also asked me same thing on my WhatsApp as well. Please resolve this.
Okay. See, these parameters are set by default. Okay, if you go on Gemini and start prompting, it is not going to ask you what are the parameter values. Okay, they are already set for you. However, if you are a developer, you should be able to experiment with these parameters, and you should go for that. You should go to the AI Studio website. So it's a experimentation. Okay, like we do not have any just one particular general scheme for writing the best prompts in the world. Okay, all these that we are showing right now came from research, came after experimentation. Okay, that's what we are showing right now. You have to do the same thing for setting the parameter values as well.
Yes. I think your doubt is resolved.
Yeah. Yes, we can cover these 2 topics at least, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, step back prompting. So let's discuss it with the example. Okay, don't see the definitions. Avoid seeing the definitions. Let's take an example. Okay, set back prompting. Okay, so this is a standard prompt. Okay, पहले क्या था? A feather and a bowling ball are dropped in a vacuum. Explain like you want to solve a tricky physics questions. Okay, so what will be the prompt? A feather and a bowling ball are dropped in a vacuum. Okay, vacuum where there is no air and resistance. Okay, a feather and a bowling ball are dropped in a vacuum. Explain the forces acting on them. So what type of forces are acting on them? So this is a physics question. Okay, this is a good prompt, but it might get a simple and surface level answer. You will get that good answer. You won't get that good answer. To get a deeper explanation, we use step back technique like this. This prompt combines both steps in one instruction for AI. Like, see, first step back यानी एक कदम पीछे लो and explain the fundamental principle of gravity and AI air resistance as defined by physics. जो physics में define हो रखा है, जो fundamental principle है, what is the fundamental principle of gravity and air resistance defined by physics. Then उसके बाद क्या है? Then using that principle, explain the forces acting on the feather and bowling ball when they are dropped in a vacuum. So this is a very great prompt. कितना बढ़िया prompt है ये, है कोमल? है ना?
Yeah, exactly. Perfect
उसने
prompt.
क्योंकि first it will go through what is the fundamental physics of what is the fundamental principle of gravity and air resistance. ठीक है, वो सबसे पहले उस पे जाएगा. Then it will go to this second statement, the forces on the feather and the bowling ball dropped in when they are dropped in a vacuum. So it is a very great prompt. Okay, this is the step backing technique. When you are stepping the back, you are not providing the direct questions, but you are stepping back and providing the context about that problem. Okay. So why it is better, the first part solving this.
Yes, if I can
Sure.
take that part, okay.
Yeah, sure.
Why is it better? So it relates to the biology of LLM. Okay, what is LLM? LLM is like remembers everything. Okay, now it's an expert in all the domains. So if you are going to just ask a particular question, although it is an expert, it is not going to have the specific context, right? So using this technique, what we are doing is that all the concepts that are necessary to solve the particular challenge are first going from its low level memory to its high level memory. It means
Correct.
it is going from the global memory to the local memory. Now I remember all everything. Okay, it's like making its own notes. It's going through a problem for a particular lecture, but it's going through the it is first making the notes for it. Okay, now referring the note, it will be able to easily answer the questions just by having the just by having the memory of the lecture is not going to help if there are millions of lectures that it has gone through. So that is what that is why it is helping it from the biology perspective.
Beautiful explanation,
yes.
Komil. तो बढ़िया explain कर रहा है भाई. I am impressed भाई, क्या बात है.
Yes, definitely. So I think कितना रह गया? How much is left?
बस थोड़ा सा रह रहा है.
Yes, so please cover it fast because
chain of thought. ठीक है. Like you are breaking. What is chain of thought? It instructs the model to think step by step, show its reasoning. Okay, show its reasoning. Like you are breaking down complex problems into smaller intermediate steps. Like you want a full reasoning. You want the statements, how a problem is actually solving. You want all the background activities. ठीक है, कि क्या लग रहा है, क्या statements है, what are the formulas, how it is getting this. So this is the chain of thought. Like let's think step by step. Chain of thought.
So it's like making a plan first. Okay, so we are going to make a project. We are not just going to start writing the code. Okay, first we will make a particular workflow. Okay, so it is exactly doing that. It's making a plan.
See, this is a beautiful example. John has 5 tennis balls. He buys two more cans of tennis balls. Each has 3 tennis balls. Okay, how tennis balls does he have now? Okay, ये this is the basic question. हम सब solve कर सकते हैं कि John has 5 tennis balls. हर एक टेनिस जो वो है कैन में कितनी कितनी है कि दो उसने बोली है टेनिस के कैंस जिसमें 3 बॉल है, ठीक है. सो पोटेंशियली जो है ना हमारे जो सामने क्या आएगा कि सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे कि वो हर एक कैन में तीन टेनिस बॉल्स हैं, तो वी हैव 3 and 3 कितने 6 हो गए, राइट. एंड जॉन हैज 5 टेनिस बॉल्स ऑलरेडी, ठीक है. अब कितनी हो गई उसके पास, सोचो. सिक्स प्लस 5 इट इज 11. अब यहां पर द पोटेंशियली इनकरेक्ट आंसर वो क्या सोचेगा, वो ये सोचेगा ही हैज 10 बॉल्स, बल्कि द आंसर इज 11, ठीक है. द एआई माइट इनकरेक्टली ऐड 5 2 3, बट इफ आई विल प्रोवाइड नाउ what is the what is the क्या बोलते हैं solution for this is that by using chain of thought, you are by adding a simple instruction you will guide AI to build a logical chain of reasoning. Like what is the prompt? John has 5 tennis balls, he buys 2 more cans of tennis ball, ठीक है. Each can has 3 tennis balls, ठीक है. How many tennis balls does he have now? Let's think step by step. उसने क्या ऐड करा है, just this statement, step by step. Now it will break this down into, first वो क्या करेगा, कैलकुलेट करेगा हर चीज को, like 2 and 3 है ना. 2 cans each have 3 balls, so we have 6 new balls. All right. Next once he already had 5 balls, right, earlier, okay. Now we will add them, 6 plus 5 which is 11. This is correct. Now we are getting the logic that how it is working just by adding this statement. Let's think step by step. It is now giving the most accurate answer. It is giving the accurate answer, right, Komil? Right, Abhinav?
Yeah, exactly.
So this is the chain of thought.
Yes. You are thinking but just step by step, as you already mentioned by yes.
Correct.
Step by step, right?
Yeah.
It is also when you are reading this DSA. I don't know why DSA is eating my mind again and again. I don't know what is the perception. I'm not saying that it's same. I don't know why it clicked. DSA, data structure and algorithms. I didn't. I think with that ball, as you already mentioned, a personal like right. You understand?
Correct.
Quick shot and that particular shot. Yes. Another techniques.
Okay.
Yes, please. Survey has also same. Yeah, okay. Is it correct to say that step back prompt first extend the prerequisite principle and then explain those are requisite? Yes, you are saying right. Another thing. Yes. How much is left?
2 more slides. I think this is very advanced for them, right, Komil?
Yeah, definitely. I
So
think
should we cover this?
Stop over here till now because it should, because it's going to mesh up, right?
Yeah.
Right, Komil?
Yeah, it will
It's going to mesh.
There is one important, very important concept though. Yes, if you can go to the previous slide.
Sure.
That graph one.
This?
Yeah, go on the top. Yeah, here, tree of thoughts. Let me just give that one, okay? Because it is super, super, not only easy, but super intuitive as well.
Sure.
Okay, so what it is doing, it is, let's say I want a particular answer, okay? So I might be asking multiple LLMs to provide me the answer, okay? And then I will do a voting. Okay, I can do that, right? It is very intuitive to do it. But I can also do the same job with the same LLM, okay? Just by changing a few parameters. Even if I do not want to do that, then I could also do it through prompts. That is the idea behind tree of thoughts. Okay, so what it does this voting at every step of the tree. Okay, so if I have a mathematical equation, it is a very complex equation. Okay, let me break it down into 3 steps. to solve the problem step by step. Okay. Now at the first step, it will try to solve it multiple times. Okay, let's say 4 times or 5 times. And then it will pick the correct answer that has got the most votes. Okay. So if a particular answer was generated thrice, then it is the majority. So it will go for that particular step 1. Okay, so step 1 completed. Now it will repeat the same process for step 2 and as well as for step 3. Unfortunately, we do not have the time to go through the example, but it is super intuitive. So it was a must to mention.
So the basic core difference is that it is a actually generalized version of chain of thought, right? Like where we follow the single sequence of linear sequence, actually single sequence of thoughts, like in input and output, like in chain of thoughts हम एक ही उसको लेके चल रहे थे. But tree of thoughts में क्या हो गया? We are at each step we are considering multiple possibilities जो हो सकती है, multiple possible thoughts कि कैसे वो connected है, right? So I think these are more advanced topics. ठीक है, great topics, important topics जो अब है. ठीक है, we will try to cover these in next sessions too. ठीक है, yes Komil bhai?
Yeah, definitely.
Because that's enough
there
for
are
today.
too many topics, not just the ones that are mentioned here, not just the 3, but there are multiple topics. Even after this slide, there are also some mentioned, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, so it's a must to have another session on that. That would be the 3rd session on prompt engineering, right?
Correct. More detailed, more
So slowly we are
like
making
this.
an entire course on prompt engineering.
Is this
Yes,
visible?
so also better publish it.
So guys, you're waiting like your reward is over here. This is certified. This is a certificate as you're going to have.
You will get,
and you can just post it on
Google.
LinkedIn, on tag Google, Yash, everyone, right? Just
Yes.
paste it. Yes, we got the certificate on mail, by mail, right?
Yeah, by the that Google.
Right. You have to just scan that QR code.
Correct.
Okay. Please show that.
You just have to scan that QR code.
Yes. Please say the step again. It will be good for us.
Yeah, that QR code step.
Yes, and yes, all step to get certification again.
Okay. For that certification, you just we will edit the names in that, and then we will provide the certificates to all the attendees, right?
Okay. I think
Komil?
you yourself going to add this, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
I need some help.
Okay, I will help you. Okay.
Thank you, Abhinav.
So this is all, guys. I think we have more than 40 members till now. That's a good number, right? So I think the session is genuinely good, and we try our best to make the session more good and less boring and more interactive, right? So thank you so much. And again, just put Komil, Rocky,
And
Yash,
and guys,
Aaryan,
Abhinav, and
yes.
this certificate is officially by Google.
Yes.
I haven't made this. Okay, this
Yes.
is actually given by Google.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So it is very you can कह सकते हैं हम what deterministic or real certificate.
Authentic.
So basically, if someone wants to complain, we are not going to get any suits. Okay. It's original.
Yes.
That's why. Yes.
Yes, is Google Student Ambassador representing IIT Guwahati, right? So
Yes.
This is a authenticated, verified by Google certificate, right?
Yes.
We just
Correct.
I am just helping him to give your names to him, and just he is going to distribute the certificates, right? So yes, I please coordinators, please share your LinkedIn, and it is for good, right? I'm also sharing my LinkedIn. All coordinators, please share your LinkedIn. Komil, Aaryan, me, Rocky, and Yash. right?
Yes, yes,
Uh,
Abhinav, yes.
So I want a thing. Do some everybody know who is Komil, who is Yash, who is me, and who is Aaryan? While wrapping up the session, do you know everyone? You already introduced. Also, this is your first time you are seeing our face. Yes, guys. Please
How
say in
was
a
the
chat.
session, guys? How was the session, guys? Just raise
Yes.
your hand or react something if you don't want to open the mic. You,
And
Sanjay.
definitely another thing I want to. Yes, please. Uh, Let me paste my LinkedIn as well.
Rocky bhai. Next meeting may we will showcase the unbox the face of Shashank, Rocky.
Uh,
Right. If you will get the good number, hai Rocky bhai. If you will get the good number of
भाई मेरी
attendees.
कॉल 2 बार कटी है
please
अभी
stop
पता
the
है
recording.
सेशन में
Komil, please stop the
मेरी
recording.
कॉल 2 बार कटी है अभी सेशन में, इसीलिए मैंने सब डायनेमिक अपना इमेजेस वगैरह लगा रखा है पूरे कॉल पे। भाई
Correct,
मैं
correct.
दिख भी नहीं रहा हूँ, फिर भी आई एम हियर एंड आई एम मोर देन एक्टिव, ठीक है।
Yes.
Komil,
बट
please.
अब ये है कि अगर हमें नेक्स्ट उसमें अच्छे नंबर मिलते हैं अटेंडीज के, देन वी विल मेक रॉकी भाई टू शो हिज फेस, राइट
Yes.
रॉकी भाई?
अरे करा लेंगे यार, आजा दिल्ली में मिल लेते हैं, आजा हम सारे आ
करेक्ट
जाएंगे एक
करेक्ट।
साथ, कहीं चल पड़ेंगे कोई पार्क वगैरह में, मीटअप भी कर लेंगे, कोई वो जल्दी
अरे
नहीं है।
बिल्कुल दिल्ली कहाँ भैया?
दिल्ली मैंने फिक्स कर रखा है, कश्मीरी गेट, मेट्रो गेट, गेट नंबर 7. इट्स माय फिक्स,
अभिनव का तो पूरा है, अभिनव का पूरा
मेरा
क्लियर है।
फिक्स पॉइंट, वहां मैं जाता रहता हूँ. So guys, yes, Komil, please stop the recording, and we are just thank you so much guys for being here. I'm not like ending up the just for recording. Thank you so much guys for
Yeah.
being here. This is all, and I hope you already enjoyed.
थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Please stop the recording now. So who wants